All right, today I'm going to be walking you through how you can create and sell ebooks as a freelance service. So check this guide out. So we're going to jump right in. So I'm inside of the software. It's called eBgenius. I'm going to show you how we can do this. But before we actually utilize this to create a simple story or ebook, that we can actually use custom AI graphics and custom AI content in order to create this book. I'm going to show you how this actually works. So I'm inside of my Fiverr account. I don't sell services anymore because I do other things in my business to profit. But if you're just getting started, this is a great way that you can actually go out and start making money. I made $22 on average orders on this account right here, 560 orders right here. Like I said, I'm no longer selling right now, but you can see earnings to date was over $9,000 right here. So if we come over here and switch, I'm going to switch it over to the buying portion. And then if I come over here and then I say, we want to like an ebook writer, for example, right? We can go over here and we can start looking at either relevance or bestsellers, different ways to sort this. I'm going to go ahead and sort it by the best selling in this category. And we can come through here and start looking at, like right over here, we have Sandrina has 3 orders in their queue, and they'll write and design your lead magnet ebook or freebie. Now I'm going to come through here and show you, like, just check this out. Like, there's nothing great going on or special with this. I mean, it's a great ebook and graphic, but I'm going to show you how we can use software to create these graphics. Another great place to sell this, and look at the basic option on this is $112. You have the standard version at $200 and premium is almost $300. So, and that's just for 15 pages. There's another place that you can go. If we come up here to the search box and we just say, write me a story, something like that, or story writer, something like that. You'll see all these other stories over here. And then we also have children's story. So someone will go out and write a children's story, even with graphics and so forth. I mean, look at all this right over here. We'll click on this. There's 7 orders in their queue, starts at $10, $25, $70. How many pages could you pump out? 12 pages of high quality. We're going to give you the concept. I mean, they don't even spell concept right here, right? You can do a better job than this. We can create the art and everything. And look at these simple stories right here. So let me show you how we can do this. We're going to use a software called eBgenius. The link will be below. And if you actually go and pick this up right now, it's during its launch. It's going to be the cheapest that you're ever going to be able to get this software. So it's eBgenius. And if you do pick it up with the link below, it's going to take you to my custom bonus page. All you have to do is just click on any of these green links and go purchase eBgenius, and you're going to have instant access to all of these bonuses right here. We have a marketing course right here. We have a full affiliate marketing course right there. High definition videos. We have a 25-minute training video right here that's going to show you exactly what I would do if I lost all my accounts right now and I make $160,000 a year with affiliate marketing. If I lost all my accounts right now, this is exactly what I would do to jump right into it to start making money, and anybody can do it. So this is worth the cost of the software in itself. Just this one bonus right there. And then we have YouTube video keyword research secrets, and then we have YouTube title tips, because you could go in there and start promoting your service on Fiverr by creating a YouTube channel and utilizing my bonuses right here to gain more organic free traffic to your freelance service that you're selling on Fiverr. Okay, so let's go jump in. Now this is on a dashboard. You'll log into the site. It's basically built on WordPress. Someone had mentioned like, hey, I had done an official review on this software, and they were saying something like, oh, I didn't know it was a plugin or something like that. Well, it's really just you log in, you're logging into their WordPress site, and you can see right over here, it's just like a software, and you're going to go over here to create new book right over here and look at all these different options over here. So I've already tested this out. It works great. There's nothing to be worried about that it's built on a WordPress site, basically. So I don't know why that kind of deterred someone or kind of made them nervous about purchasing it, but the software works great. We're right in here. This works better than some cloud softwares actually that I've tested out before. So we're going to come through here, and I'm just going to stick with right now. We're going to probably be spending most of our time in Story Creator. I'm going to go ahead and put something in right here. Let's just say we want to put like a short story that is an adventure with two main characters, and the setting is in the forest, happy and bright colors, something like that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just type that in. And I'm going to say generate. We're going to click that generate button, and now it's going to go out there. ebgenius is going to go out there and write us a story, and we're going to be able to come over here. We can change the layout of and the looks of what we want this to look like. We can change the font styles and so forth if we want. You can get a preview of what this is going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and stick with the regular format right over here, because that's what it looked like was selling really well over here. Like this type of format, when we come and look at this, we have just like a different images and so forth right there. But we can certainly change it to cater to what we are trying to replicate or try to emulate on Fiverr. So here's the short story that is an adventure with two main characters, and the setting is in the forest, happy and bright colors and so forth. So we can actually come over here and look at the title, for example. And if I wanted to change the font maybe, and the font design right over here. So there's actually font families that we can change, right? Like so. And then we could come in here and you can see once upon a time, there was two best friends named Alice and Bob. And you can read that. They lived in a small village on the edge of a dark and mysterious forest. Alice was a curious and adventurous girl, while Bob was more cautious and careful. One day, Alice decided to explore the forest. She begged Bob to come with her, but he refused. So we need an image, right? So what I like to do is I'll come in here and I'll copy this whole thing right here, almost like a prompt, and then I'll go in here and click change image. Now we have Pixabay, we have Unsplash. So if you're doing like nonfiction, business, things like that, you can definitely find a lot of images right in here with Pixabay, Unsplash, and Pexels. They're using the top royalty-free places to get images, and you have access to millions of images inside of here, which is super cool. I'm going to use Leonardo, and we're going to create some AI images by pasting that whole prompt in there and then saying find image. And it's going to go out there and it's going to create an image for us automatically, and you can see it right now doing that for us. It'll take about 10 to 20 seconds, boom. And now we already have our image right over here. We can use any of these. That one is a little weird right there. The two in the middle are a little strange, but I would use either the fourth one or the first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and click use this first one right here. And now you can see that it's part of our book right over here. The hand is a little weird, so I might go back up and change the image by reprompting it and seeing if we can get a different image. And then the next thing that I'll do is we'll just go and grab some more text right over here. And then we're getting some really good images right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab this one right here. And then you would just go through and use the context here and go and use Leonardo to go and create your images inside of the ebook creator. And then you would just keep going through your ebook and changing out the images. Let's say we come over here and we want, forest. Maybe we change the image right here and we go into maybe Pixabay right over here and we just say forest. And then we push enter, or we actually were on Leonardo. So it's going to, I believe, create another AI image for us of a forest. And it's pretty fast. So now we can go and select which one we want. So now you have all these AI images that you can bring in here very quickly and easily. And then what you can do is you can update, again, you can update the way that you want this to look. You can change the font family, the title weight. You can make the title size bigger like so. So it's going to make that bigger right there and so forth. So you just scroll through here, and this might take you about 20 or 30 minutes to fill in all the images. And then by the end, you're going to have a nice book that you can go out there and actually sell on Fiverr. Once you're happy with it, you're just going to push this green button over here and push submit. And it's going to give you some options. We can download the EPUB or the Mobi file type, or we can go preview or download PDF. I'm going to push download PDF, and now we have our PDF right over here. And now you're going to see the PDF that you're going to deliver to your customer that ordered this. So now you have AI creating a story for you, and then you can hone in on the images, even getting more, what would you say, in line, like these colors. Those are great when you can stick with the same kind of colors and the characters looking the same and so forth. But now you have this nice ebook that is done for you like clockwork. And now you can go and actually deliver this file when you get an order right over here for like a children's story right over here. I mean, look at how many people are ordering right over here. And minimum orders are $45 right over here, standard. I mean, and they're charging for one illustration, $150. Now you can go in here and actually start delivering these. So that would be a great way to start making some money using the software eBgenius and start selling your services on Fiverr. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you want to go pick up the bonuses, click the link below and go and pick this up. I'll see you in the next video.